So we've had a client who's been using a previous tool that they've had a lot of trouble getting it to work. What we did was we put Green Hat in place, and in the first 2 days we've been able to get quite a number of the issues that they had problems with before solved. And in that 2 days we were able to test their MQ series and be able to prove to them that the Green Hat test tool would work. When you've got a very clear understanding of what you need to achieve and what the problems were that they were having, we were able to solve those very quickly because the Green Hat tool is very easy to implement those issues. It does a lot of the work for you in this case. Yeah, so they've spent a lot of time starting to build service-orientated architecture components, SOAs, into their platform. That's a big change for them. The organisation over the last 10 years has always built custom applications or purchased a particular product to do a job. By now bringing this in play, they're connecting all of these systems together. But in doing so, they're also creating a headache for themselves in how they test that and how they build that into their quality process. So Green Hat has enabled us to actually solve that problem. They can now test in a much more agile fashion. They can test in a much more continuous integration fashion. And we're hooking that into not only into Green Hat but into the rational functional tester tool so that we do the service testing and then the functional testing directly after that. So a lot of what we're looking for is a reduction in effort and a lot of reduction in time in building the tests that they need to do and also executing those tests. And a lot of that will then lead into the potential for virtualization into their system because as an organisation, they're not a particularly large company, and therefore one of the things that they're going to be needing to do is find ways of virtualizing a number of their systems that they have access to so that they can build these services quickly and then implement them into the production environment.